Good morning, children. Today we learn the sound of letters. This is letter G. The sound of letter G is G. G. Letter G. The sound of letter G is G. G. Grapes. G. Girl. G. Gloves. Letter G. The sound of letter G is G. 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 Grapes. G. Girl. G. Gloves. Next, letter M. The sound of letter M is mm. Join your both lips and make a sound. Mm. Letter M. The sound of M is mm. Mango. Moon. Mask. Letter M. The sound of letter M is mango. Moon. Mask. This is letter S. The sound of letter S is S. Letter S. The sound of letter S is S. Slippers. Spoon. Star. Letter S. The sound of letter S is S. Letter S. The sound of letter S is S. Slippers. Spoon. Star.